Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the Steel Mountains Ruins puzzle in Crimson Desert. The Steel Mountains Ruins puzzle can be found in this area. It's directly behind the Spire of Insight. Once you get here, you will see a set of bells with notes marked in each one. If you look to the left, you will find the order of how the bells should be played. To the right of the bells, a mallet can be picked up to hit the bells. However, you don't really need to use the mallet to solve this puzzle. Just pull out your bow, then stand here. Match the order of the notes, then aim and shoot at the bells that matches the notes. The order should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you do it correctly, the puzzle will be solved and the door on the right will open, rewarding you with an Abyss artifact and a fast travel. And that is how to solve the Steel Mountains Ruins puzzle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.